Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's start now. You can see this is NZD USD chart. The trend was previously going a downtrend. The minor trend is uptrend. So let's see what happened here. Right now at the level we are seeing some reversal candle also and one engulfing candle right now. So let's see what happened after this candle. If I get a right opportunity, then I will be trade here, otherwise I didn't trade here. Okay, so let's see what happened here. It's a gap up open, there is some rejection, so we are no have any clear indication to go with buyers. I am waiting for confirmation. If I get any good confirmation, then I will be place here a trade. Okay, so I'm placing here a two trade with $50 and I will be achieve my target today. Okay, I'm placing here one level. Okay, I'm waiting for a good confirmation, then I will be place here a call or put option. So let's see what happened here. You can see the strong buyers enter from here. Okay, the next level is so I'm waiting for the confirmation because I need to place 100% sure shot here only. Okay, so let's see what happened here after this candle. Okay, got a rejections from the sellers. Here is the sellers area. You can see the many reversal are here. The one level is here. Let's see what happened here. I'm placing here a higher option. So I'm placing here a higher option. So let me explain you why I'm placing here a higher option. Okay, let me explain you why I am placing here a higher option. So you can see the next level is here. Okay, at this red candle with strong rejection. Okay, and I get a rejection from that level and there is a gap, so market definitely go to the next level. That's it, I am placing here a higher option and it will be my winning trade. Okay, so let's do one more trade with 100% sure shot strategy, then after I will be close my video here. Okay, so I am waiting for the one trade only and the right confirmation, then after I will be close my video here. Okay, so let's see what happened here. Please like my videos, and if you new here then subscribe my channel, and if you want to learn candlestick psychology and price action, then you can contact me. My contact information in the description below. We will provide online classes on the cheap rate. Okay, so if you want to learn, then you can contact me anytime. Okay, so let's see the sellers enter from the sellers area. So I need one good confirmation, then I will be place here a lower option, but right now I am not get any confirmation. so I'm not place. If I place a trade here, it will be late entry. Okay, so let's see for the next. A very strong candles. Sorry. Okay, again we are seeing the buyer's entry from in this candle from this level, I think. So let's see what happened here. I'm placing here a lower option. I'm placing here a lower option, and I'm 100% sure about this candle. It will be close below my entry point. So why I am sure here, let me explain you. I got a reversal from the level after this candle, the green candle, and the next candle is red candle, inverted hammer. I got a reversal sign from this level. Okay, again I am seeing the strong candle. Okay, hammer candle. A hammer candle make a new low here, and it will be help to decide me the market want to be go more down. That's it. I am placing here a lower option, and I am 100% sure about this candle. It will be definitely close below my entry point and give me a winning trade. Okay, so you can see this also my winning trade, and again $41 in my pocket. So thank you very much for the watching my video. If you understand the price action and candlestick psychology, you can contact me anytime. Okay, my contact number in the description below. Okay, thank you very much for the watching my video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.